So friends, first of all, we can unzip my folder. So click right and extract here. We have required two tools. First is that Python, and second is VS Code. We can run this project on VS Code. So first of all, we can unzip this folder and then this folder is open in VS Code to run this project. So first they can unzip, then we can go to this project folder. They take some time like that. First of all, we can unzip within 3 to 5 minutes for unzip, because there are large amount of files in this folder, so that's why they can take some times. So when they are unzipped, then we can move next. Okay, so wait with 2 to 3 minutes. So that's the reason we can fast this video. So now that's unzipped. Then we go to project and open this in VS Code. Okay, so when they are open in VS Code, first of all we can check this requirements.txt file. There are five dependencies for this project. So first we can run for this installations. Okay, first we can open command line in this terminal and write pip install -r requirements .txt, then enter. Okay, so when they are enter, then they are download all the dependencies for these projects. So they take 2 to 3 minutes. So for that we can explore other files. Okay, so first we can enter and check okay, how many files in this Django project. There are three important parts. First is that views.py. View.py are help out, so define a functions, routes and other things. Okay, so first we have index function, second is login view, registration view, logout view, query view. This query is related to search. Okay, so flights request, how many flights, and reviews, book, payment, ticket data, get ticket, booking, cancel ticket, resume booking, contact, privacy page, terms page, about page, currency converter page. Okay, so they are all functions defined in the view.py. Then we can go to urls.py. They are helped for routing. So first, if we have no enter anything, so then they are moved to index page. Okay, so index page and other things are login page, logout, registrations. In simples, all the functions they are defined in view.py. They are route by this URLs. Okay, so we have one currency converter and other is about us to page, and other things are mentioned in this. So we face a error of report lab. How we can tackle? So there is very simple, pip install report lab. Okay, and press enter. So within 2 to 3 minutes they are easily download in these projects. Then we can run this project with simple command. Okay, and second third important part is templates directory and flights directory. All HTML CSS pages are collection store this. Okay, so we have index page, all things are separately defined for better understandings. Layout page are help to header and footer sections. Okay, and statics maintains static things like styling, images and JavaScripts. Okay, so now we can run the command python manage dot py run server. Okay, so when you enter this command, they can give a URL to run this project. Okay, so then you can copy and open your browser tab. So now they can give me a proper URL and I can copy this and open into flight terms. So they give my project in runnable form. Okay, so first we can enter Mumbai to Singapore. Okay, this is one-way trip, so that's we cannot enter return date. If we can select rounded trip, then we they can give me a proper things. Okay, economy out and search flights, they can give me a results properly. Okay, pricing are minimum and maximum if we have many results, but in this scenario we have only one. And this is the timing of departure and arrival, book flights and enter all the information according to my login information. Okay, so now so first of all we can sign up here. All things are validation. Okay, so please must enter all the things, then they can proper work, otherwise they can give a error. So now we can easily search. Okay, enter date according to calendar and search flight, now book flight, and they can give me other information. Okay, so we can proper enter a number, email, add adult, male, Usman, enter. Okay, send. Payment to proceed, we can proper enter card number, card holder name, month of expiry, year, and 3 code. Now make payment. So they can proper work, and now they can give me ticket in PDF form with proper information. Okay, Usman Ali, passenger information, flight information, and other things are this. Now we can use currency converter. Okay, so I can log out this and go to currency converter, and if we can select URP, enter $300, so they can give me results in this scenario. Okay, so I hope all the things are like you. They can give me Italy, Brazil, America, and Indonesia, and others proper links, contact us form, and they can contact us form, and other is about us page, privacy page, terms and condition page. So I hope all the things you like, and if any query you can contact with me. Okay, so I can use this sign up form, and they can go to easily my dashboard. So my booking, they can show my booking. So you can status is cancelled and printed, so they are up to you. Okay, so thank you so much. Visit in next video. Allah Hafiz.